Hey guys, Assalam O Alaikum. Today we are going to make a video on PicsArt, how to edit a photo. So first of all, we are going on Google Play Store and searching PicsArt. PicsArt, here it comes. I have downloaded it, so that's why the option is coming here, open. So we are going to click over here. It was going to start. Okay, it's opening. So you can see at the down of this app, see here is the plus sign in purple and pink color. So we are going to click on it. And here are too many photos here. So background, templates, you will see everything. Okay, but first of all, you are going to taking a video. Means you are going to first see a photo. Here is the option of free photo and see all. We are going to click on see all, and then there are too many pictures over here. Okay, so I'm going to take this photo. Okay, and here's a nice beautiful photo, but first we are going to take something of pic. So here are the many options, and we are going to take add photo. We are going on add photo. Okay, here are so many pics. I'm going to take this pic and click on add one. Okay, you can see it's coming like this. Okay, this is coming like this. So here is the option of cut out and crop. You are not going to go on crop, we are going on cut out. And here is select and outline, so we are going on outline. Here is the size. I'm doing the size like this, and then outline the all of this, that what image I have to take. I'm going to take this boy. Okay, so that can I easily do. Okay, we are cropping it everywhere, but do as possible as right. Here I'm doing this completely. Okay, now here is the arrow, and we are going to click on, and here is the option creating a sticker. It's like, and you can see now three options: restore, erase and preview. Okay, when we do on preview, we can see that which thing we have outlined. I'm going on restore and preview again. Okay, now I'm going to crop things that are not done here, and you see it's come like this. Okay, now here is the option of erase. Okay, we have to double click on erase and see this come. Because this is too much small, so I am going to take the size of the eraser to smaller and smaller. Okay, now we are going to erase the things that I didn't want to use. And this is finally done. Okay, I want only this picture. Okay, save. Okay, it's safe. And see, it comes on my this pic. Okay, so here are not legs. Okay, here are not legs. So I am going to cover this. It's too much easy way to do for beginners. Everybody can do this pic as well. Okay, here I am going to do this. And this is done. Okay, now I'm going to click on tick. It's done. Yes, it's now quick. And now we are going on brushes. Here are brushes and we are going to click on it. See, there are too many things, like whatever you want. I'm taking flowers and covering the legs like this. And like this, see, I have do too much. See this arrow that is going backward. So we can erase it like this. Okay, now I'm doing. Okay, this are but where did they comes? So I am doing like this too. It's very easy and simple. Okay, it's done. Now I'm taking these lovely stars that are too much shiny. Okay, I'm click and see this. Wow, they are small but they shine too much. And our picture is so good, so this will also think like good. And see, you can see that it's a good thing. We are going on tick again. Okay, now I'm going on effects. Effects. Here we come. And I'm taking the option of glitch. And then known. Known is good. So I am going on tick. And it will come back. Okay. Now whatever you wanted to send, you will go over here and if you wanted to send anybody, so you will. But if you see share to who post to pic art, gallery, Facebook, WhatsApp and more. But you can think that here's one thing that is not done. Yes, I hope. Border. We are going on border. Okay, and see outer, inner and radius. Radius will take the shape like this and everything is done now. Then I'm going to click. But I like this. Yes. We have to skip it because it comes. And here is free to add it. And I have done this thing. Okay. I'm going on border again because we have to take the border 2 times as well. Take. And if you wanted to go on frame, so you will also. Frame will give you many ideas. that you will take this frame, you will take that frame. Okay, there are too many frames over here too. I'm going on there and clicking on this. Okay, I didn't want to take this frame, so that's why we are going on again frame and going on more. See, there are all of the frames here. Okay, so you can do like this too, and it's all yours. You can do anything as you love. Okay, this is all done, and please subscribe my channel, please bell icon on and like my channel. Bye bye.